Hello, kids. Let's read together. Are you ready? Let's go. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Very good. Let's read again. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Now, listen carefully and read with me. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Great job! If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun Filipino reading lessons. Ready? Let's continue. Let's mix it up. Ka, ko, ke, ku, ki. Again. Ke, ko, ki, ka, ku. You're doing great. Try this one. Ki, ka, ku, ke, ko. Good reading. Now another mix. Ke, ku, ka, ki, ko. Amazing! Last jumbo. Ku, ke, ko, ka, ki. Wow! Ang galing ninyo! Now, ready for a challenge? Let's go faster. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ka, ko, ke, ku, ki. Ke, ko, ki, ka, ku. Ki, ka, ku, ke, ko. Ke, ku, ka, ki, ko. Ku, ke, ko, ka, ki. Let's do it again. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ka, ko, ke, ku, ki. Ke, ko, ki, ka, ku. Ki, ka, ku, ke, ko. Ke, ku, ka, ki, ko. Ku, ke, ko, ka, ki. Great job, kids! Now, let's go back to the start. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. One more time together. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Amazing work! Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, kids!